Hey guys, it's Ashley from Best Dressed, taking over Aveda's channel for today. Today, I'm gonna be showing you one of my go-to hairstyles, which is this kind of like wavy, beachy, Mamma Mia inspired moment. So to start off this look, I have my freshly washed hair. It's still a little bit damp, which is gonna be perfect for applying Aveda's Damage Remedy. This is a nice little leave-in treatment that's gonna help tame down any frizz and split ends that I have from my hair being lightly fried by dyeing it about 6 different times. So to get started on these waves, basically I'm gonna be creating 2 Dutch braids going down either side of my head. Now it's really important, you do not want to do this on wet hair. Repeat after me. Do not do this on wet hair. Trust me, high school me has tried this hairstyle many a time with completely soaked hair, but once you put super wet hair in braids, it's just never ever gonna dry. Like if you left those braids in forever, you could be on your deathbed and those braids would still be wet. So make sure you're starting with hair that is the slightest bit damp. So I think you guys might know how to do a Dutch braid, but we're gonna start with a little section in the front, split it into 3, and I really like to start this first section with a small amount of hair. If you start with a really big chunk, when you take the braids out, your face framing curl won't be as nice and tight. So we really want to start with small sections here. I don't know if you guys can see what's going on here, but I'm crossing each outside piece underneath the inside piece instead of over it like you would in a normal braid or a French braid. I'm braiding this front section like 2 or 3 times before I start adding in little pieces of hair from the side. I'm also trying as I do this to keep the Dutch braid as close to my hairline as possible, because that'll help the curl pattern look nice and defined right by your hairline instead of having this awkward straight bit and then starting to get curly, if you know what I'm saying. I'm also doing this braid relatively tightly because I want that really curly defined pattern. If you want more of a relaxed wave, you could also tousle your braids a little bit so that you end up with a looser curl in the end. And I am going right down to the bottom because if possible, I want to avoid any awkward straight bits at the end. Then I'm gonna secure this. I don't have enough hands for this. I'm using these small ones instead of a traditional big elastic like this, because these can kind of leave a big straight section at the end of your hair because they take up so much space, but these tiny ones don't take up much hair real estate at all, so they're not gonna leave your hair as dented. So here is the completed braid on one side. Just gonna repeat that on the other side, as one does. Alright, and our 2 boxer braids are complete. Honestly, I really like this hairstyle just for the daytime when I'm not even trying to do curls, so I'll probably wear this all day, go to sleep, and then the next day when my hair is completely dry and this is super set, we're gonna take it out. Heatless waves are like a box of chocolates. You never know quite what you're gonna get. So it's always exciting tomorrow to see whether this actually turned out well. Fingers crossed. Good morning, folks. Wow, don't you love it when you roll fresh and ready out of bed with a full face of makeup and in your outfit for the day? Me too. I assume you guys know how to take out a braid, but you know, you just take out that elastic. As I go, I'm just gently separating these strands. I'm not like ripping them out so that I don't destroy that curl structure that we worked so hard on. And since the asymmetrical look is really in for fall winter 2018, we're just gonna leave this as is. Anna Wintour is quaking. No, I'm just kidding. We're gonna take out the other side now. All right, we already have so much texture going on. I'm gonna take a little bit more of the Damage Remedy and kind of just use it as a little finishing cream. I just rubbed a little bit on my hands and I'm gonna gently curl the bottoms of my hair and zhuzh it around a little bit. And you could totally stop here if you wanted to go for a more voluminous look, but I honestly have too much hair for my own good. My hair is so thick. So to tame down this volume a little bit, I'm gonna take 2 little sections. They're right behind my face framing sections because I'm gonna leave those out. Twist them back and secure them with 2 bobby pins in a simple little cross. All right, and after a little bit more zhuzhing around, here is the final look. I think it's so cute, so beachy. I feel ready to burst out into song Mamma Mia style. And the best part, obviously, is that it's completely heatless. So you can do this to your hair whenever, every day if you want to, and it's not gonna get any more damaged. If you guys love Aveda's products as much as I do, make sure to click that subscribe button to stay up to date on all of Aveda's beauty tips, tricks, and products. Bye!